everyone. Today's project is Hi everyone. Today's project is Lock Dog!
Right, can I get in here a bit? Right, today we're going to do the first of our projects. The girls have made a list of everything they want to make, and today we're making a log dog. Don't even know what a log dog is yet, but we're going to try and make one. First we're going to need some logs.
Let's go! Let's march up to the garden!
A nice round one, have a look down in there. Mind your head on the...
Oh yeah, I know which one. Let's have...
You're going to go for that one? That's going to be a big fat dog.
Oh, this is big.
No. Depends if you want a fat dog or a sausage dog. It's a splinter. Should we get it out? I think we need to draw what we're going to make first, because otherwise we're going to be here all night. It's going to have a round, it's going to have a body like that, and then you've got to put a head on. We'll make it out of another log, and then a little nose, and then we'll make some wheels for its legs.
My log, and then I'm going to have...
Nice, I like that. Wheels on there. Maybe a tail.
Oh yeah?
We can make a tail out of some wire or something. Just a ribbon. We can make a curly tail or a spring tail. I'll show you how to make a spring out of wire. Okay, so that's going to be this bit, the body. So I think you should leave yours nice and long like it is. And then on top of here...
I think we should cut these off though.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Now, this hand I will keep up here. It's not going to get cut if it's up there. And this one here, and you're going to go nice back, long strokes, okay? But I would say, to start with, you're going to have to just pull. Because it's quite a tricky one to cut that.
Okay.
Okay? How far along do you want this body to be?
Look,
that long?
Look.
That's it?
No, that long.
That long, really short and stubby. Go there, okay? Do you want to come and watch me cut yours? To push down on the vise. That way, that's it. Keep going. Stop. Which one? You want to trim that off now? Okay. A bit more. Perfect. It's a bit like when we roll pasta.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, so go in there. Yeah. So is he finding that saw a bit easier? To start with, just give it a nice, gentle stroke.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, before you start actually sawing. One more. This type of saw just it just cuts on the pull. Long. That's Mr. Chubby Dog.
Yeah.
So we're going to put a face on the end here.
Yeah.
So shall I cut you a head out of this?
Yeah.
That one
Look.
is quite doggy shape. That one with the pointy ears, so you could put your ears up here if you wanted to, or we could cut them into triangles. That's better.
Yeah.
The world's funniest sausage dog. Do you want me to cut the ends off a little bit so it's clean on the end?
Yeah.
Who's got the oldest dog?
Me. How do you know?
You can't just guess, you've got to count them. See all of these lines?
Count
You've
them
got to
up.
count all of those. With yours, I would suggest, because your one's going to be like that, a screw or a nail is going to be too long to put through there. So what we're going to do is you drill into here, and then we'll put a dowel in between and glue them. Alright?
That?
Yeah.
That's mine.
Do you have a nice snack?
No, I didn't.
You just disappeared. Right. Do you want to hammer with a hammer and nail, or do you want to screw with the drill?
Oh no, not again.
What do you want to do?
Hammer.
Hammer. Okay. If we're gonna hammer,
What?
I need to draw you 2 holes first,
What's
Yeah?
a hammer?
and then you can hammer it in. Otherwise, it'll split, and
What's
then
she
we'll end
gonna
up with fire.
hammer?
She's gonna nail hers on because her one is flat onto flat. Your one's going on the top, so we need to use a special method for yours. What have we done with the head? If I put this like there, it's less likely to tip over, okay? All the way, keep going. For yours, we're going to use dowels, alright?
Dowels.
So yours is going to be held together with these little chummies. One of these drill bits is the same size as those. So pull one out and see which one. See which one without pulling out, do you think it is? Nope, if you drilled a hole with that one,
Yeah.
would that fit in it?
No.
No. Think that will work?
Yeah.
Should we do a tester?
Yeah.
Right, there's a tester. Try one of those in there. You alright over there? Yeah?
I'll be done now.
Try that.
No.
Alright, there you go. Now we can have our conversation over here. Right, you're going to drill into there. So come and bring your stool around a bit. Goggles on.
You gotta put some goggles
Old
on?
school, these ones. Right, you're going to go into there. Not yet, because this is a big drill, so you need to get it on fast. Get more. Squeeze it. Stop. If we drill it too far, when we bang these in, it'll disappear inside there. Right? How are we doing over here? Nailed it? Nailed it. Right, so you've got to put his nose on now. Judging by how long it took you to do those nails, I'm not sure you should do these big ones because we'll be here till Christmas. Alright, so should we do the same nails again? In there and there? Yeah? Okay. Ready to drill? Hold the hammer a bit further down the handle, back there, and then you get a bit more of a spin on it.
I got mine. Yeah.
Should have made a dig.
Daddy's big, daddy.
So, put it over there. You can see if they match up. They're going to match the holes. Try this one.
Ooh, yay! Face back.
Whack the dog. Okay, stop. Right, we need to get your ears nailed on. Okay. Okay, got your 2 ears. Let's put on there. I love that. Okay, now check it, the hole has gone through both ways. Decide where you want his ears to go. Right, so we need to get a screw in there. Pop one of those screws in that hole. Perfect.
Do they move?
Nope. It's okay?
Yeah. This actually looks like Charlie.
Shall I draw the nose on, even if we put something over it, just so it might help us? That's better, that's what he needed. He hadn't got any cheeks. We need to go and find a smaller log. Yeah, that bit there, or that bit there actually. Look, that looks exactly like, well, the eyes going to go here and here, you're going to have a nose here and a mouth here. Do you want to do it with dowels again? You know, when you drill them both and then stick glue it on, and then you won't have a nail showing. Yeah? Keep going, keep going. Because all of this is going to be touching all of this, we can put glue on here as well. Okay, so it might be a twist and wiggle. So, beautiful. You might get wood louse in your mouth. Found these.
Actually, I found them.
I'm probably going to have to cut them. So what I'm thinking is, if you get this, if we drill 2 holes through the dog's body, and then on there we'll put a wheel on each end, and I'll cut these off.
Yeah, because it's too long.
Do you want to try logs, or if we find a really round log?
I don't really want a log for my wheel.
Well, I don't know what else. We'll jam jar lids. We haven't got any jam jar lids.
Milk chocolates?
Will they be plastic ones?
Yeah. I got a great idea. We could just glue them on.
We could, but they wouldn't roll, would they?
Glue what on? I know. We can screw them on.
Yeah. I mean, this rolls alright.
Because all the other stuff is made of wood.
Well, he's a log dog. He's meant to be made out of logs. And then left out, were you? Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. It's not finished yet.
And my doggy. Here is your doggy.
I haven't got any nuts for this. Which means we can't use this. Which means we're just going to use screws. Yeah? But I'll leave the screws loose so that they spin. Alright?
Why don't we
No, that's just what's happening, I'm telling you.
Why don't we put
Because there's 2 minutes until dinner, and we've got to finish this, because there's more projects tomorrow.
But I need a tail.
I know, alright, she needs legs. What's more important, tail or legs? So what are we building tomorrow then?
The week of lamb.
Oh, blackboard.
Yeah, I know. Mine needs bigger wheels.
Oh, hang on. Hang on, that leg's... Your dog's cocking its leg. Right, super quick. We've got 1 minute to get a curly tail. I need to cut the end off. With bolt cutters. Ready? Grab one of these oak pegs each.
Put it on.
Pop it on here. Okay. It's probably too hard to do that straight.
Mine, where is she?
And you're going to go round. Shall I do it? And now you've got to boing your tail.
Look, face.
Okay, clamp it on there. And the metal inside there has got a memory. And now we put it in one way. So a spring. Alright? Say sorry doggy, you keep him calm because this might hurt him.
Sorry, doggy.
Alright? Just keep pushing it. Just a straight bit. Right, we haven't even got time for the glue gun to heat up, so I'm going to put the super glue on. I'll do yours first because I've drawn them on, haven't I? Do you want me to put these on? Because otherwise it might stick to your fingers. Right, count to 10, Faith, before you move that.
3 pink elephant. 4 pink elephant. 5 pink elephant. Thank you for watching our first Tiny Takeover. We've got loads of projects to do, but the next one is going to be Bridge. The week planner. The week planner. Bye! Bye. See you later. See you next